Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to International Peace Day. My name is Semann Shaik, and I'm a student of 9th grade from HIDAYAH Islamic International School. Thank you all for coming here today, and thank you all for joining this event. On behalf of my school, I would like to welcome you all in this day. So, International Peace Day is observed around the world on 21st September. The UN General Assembly has declared this day as a day devoted towards strengthening the ideals of peace and by observing 24 hours of non-violence and ceasefire. This Peace Day provides a globally shared date to all humanity to commit to peace about all differences and to contribute to building the world of peace. The 2020 theme for Peace Day is Shaping the Peace Together and celebrating this day by spreading compassion, kindness, and hope in the face of the pandemic. Standing together with the UN against attempt to use the virus to promote discrimination or hatred. Thank you.